Hey guys, BrickQueen here with some of the Disney Minifigure Series 2 packs to open for you guys. I'm super excited to finally have these. I've been waiting quite a while, but now that we have them, let's go ahead and see which ones we have in these packs. Go ahead and get this one opened up. Looks like, yep, one of the Chipmunks. Pretty cool to start out with one of the Chipmunks. I think that's great. Chipmunks pretty cute. Both of them are really. So here we go, and this one has a little acorn. I think it goes, let's see, which way does it go? This way. There we go. Probably be easier to hold it from the bottom. There. So our first minifigure out of this series is one of the Chipmunks. It's got his little chipmunk tail on the back. Thought they might, you know, do it as a separate piece for the tail, but they didn't. So, I mean, maybe slightly disappointed by that, but it's still a really cute little figure. Moving on. Let's see. And this series, like a couple of the other series they've done, has 18 figures instead of 16 like the older ones did. So that's kind of different. And one of the ducks, and I'm going to be totally honest with you guys, I never have been able to keep up with which duck was which, basically. I know it's Huey, Dewey, and Louie, but I don't know which is which. So tell me in the comments which little duck this is. Is this Huey, Dewey, or Louie? Because I don't know. I do like that you can take the hat off. I think that's kind of cool. And then this one comes with a book. A nice green book and little paper inside. So that's different. Kind of cool. Alright, so there's our second one. Why waste any time? Let's go straight to number 3. I'm going to slide the pieces down so I don't mess anything up. Cutting this open. And we have Edna. Edna Mode. Complete with teacups. Looks like she's got, comes with 2 teacups for some reason. Not sure why that is, but anyway. Interesting hairpiece for sure. I didn't get the other one they made of her, so this is actually my first version of her. Kind of cool. I like it personally. And her little mode bag there. And there we go. Looks really weird when you slide that sideways, but anyway, it comes with an extra teacup in case you just need that for some reason. And let's see who is in this final bag here. It already feels like one of those that has a bag inside of a bag. Could be wrong. Could just be the packaging. Not sure. And no, it does have a bag inside of a bag. It is Hercules. I'm not sure what was in this bag since it was already open. Strange, but whatever. And let me go ahead and put him together. Oh wait, almost forgot to put his cape on. There we go. And his awesome hairpiece. I do love that hairpiece. I think they did a great job on that. And you get an extra sword with him. Kind of random, I know, but anyway, those are the 4 that I got. So tell me in the comments what you think about this little group here. And if you want to see the whole series, let me know. I am going to collect all of Series 2. It just might take me a minute, but I will get them all eventually. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you guys later.
Before you go, don't forget to click my picture to subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, you can click the thumbnail to check out more of my videos.